Can I save money on labor costs by installing laminate flooring myself?
Hello there, home improvement enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing a question many homeowners ask: can I save money on labor costs by installing laminate flooring myself? Let's delve into the various aspects of this task and find out whether it's a cost-saving venture for you.
What are the costs involved in professional installation?
Professional flooring installation services vary in cost, depending on factors such as the size of the job, the geographical location, and the complexity of the task. However, on average, labor costs for installing laminate flooring range from $2 to $8 per square foot. These costs are in addition to the price of the flooring material itself, which can also vary significantly.
What are the costs if you DIY?
When installing laminate flooring yourself, the primary cost is the material. Laminate flooring varies in price, generally ranging from $1 to $5 per square foot. You'll also need to invest in some tools if you don't already have them, including a laminate cutter, pull bar, tapping block, utility knife, and a tape measure. However, these are one-time costs and can be used for other home improvement projects as well.
What skills do you need to install laminate flooring?
Installing laminate flooring requires some handyman skills. You'll need to know how to measure and cut precisely, and you'll need some physical stamina as it can be quite a strenuous job. However, laminate flooring is designed to be D-friendly, with interlocking pieces that fit together like a puzzle. With a bit of patience and careful work, most homeowners can do a good job installing it.
Is DIY installation right for you?
While the potential savings are substantial, it's important to consider other factors as well. The time and effort required for a DIY installation is significant, and if you've never done this type of project before, you might face a steep learning curve. Mistakes can also be costly, leading to wasted materials and potentially even damage to your home. So, can you save money by installing laminate flooring yourself? Yes, you can significantly cut down on labor costs. However, the savings should be weighed against the time, effort, and skill needed to do the job correctly. Make sure you feel comfortable with the task at hand before you decide to DIY your flooring installation. We hope this discussion has been helpful in making your decision. Happy home improving!